Good morning, everybody. So as Hannah told you guys, my name is Diego Leyes. I am the Spanish Program Outreach Manager for North Metro SBDC. I am also a marketing consultant. I would like to mention a lot of things about me. I am the founder of a marketing company called Baboon LLC. We help business owners like you guys to improve their digital presence in the internet. I am also a computer system engineer, and I have an MBA with emphasis in process and project management. Okay, so the idea of this workshop is that you can see the power of this incredible tool called ChatGPT that I'm sure that can help your business positively. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna talk about a couple of things. We're gonna talk about what ChatGPT is, how does it work, and also how can ChatGPT help your small business, specifically with content creation, email campaigns, product descriptions, lead generation, SEO optimization, responding to reviews, optimizing Google Business Profile, generating review requests, and analyzing reviews. Okay. Okay, so what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to human language. It can answer questions, provide information, and engage in conversation with users, all in a way that feels like talking to a real person. It is basically like having a virtual assistant who can help you with different tasks, all through text-based communication. ChatGPT's knowledge is based on information it was trained on, which goes up until September 2021. So if you ask ChatGPT a question, it can give you information that was available up to until that time. Think of it like a book that has limited information about something. However, ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving, so it might still be able to provide relevant and helpful answers, even if the information is a bit outdated. Okay, so I would like to touch on these couple concepts, AI and also natural language processing, just for you to understand it a little bit better. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? According to Investopedia.com, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Okay? In other words, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligent processes by machines, especially computer systems. It's all about teaching computers to do things that normally require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and decision making. Just like you can learn new things and solve problems using your brain, AI uses special algorithms and programming to think like a human, but much faster and more accurately. AI can be found in all kinds of things like smartphones, video games, robots, and even self-driving cars. It's like having a really smart robot friend who can help you do things and solve problems. Okay. Now we are gonna talk about a little bit of natural learning processing. Okay. Natural learning processing, it's a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on teaching machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Essentially, it's about getting computers to read and write as humans do. Natural learning processing involves a combination of techniques from computer science, linguistics, and statistics to enable machines to process and analyze human language data, such as text and speech. In other words, it is like teaching a computer to understand and talk like a human, just like you learn to speak and understand language as you grow up. Natural learning processing is about teaching a computer to understand the words, grammar, and context of human language. This way, the computer can understand what you mean when you ask a question or give a command. Okay, so having said that, we can now talk about how does ChatGPT work. Okay, so ChatGPT does not have direct access to Google or the internet in the same way that humans do. Okay, instead, it relies on a massive database of information that was compiled during its training process. This database includes a wide variety of sources, such as books, articles, and websites, and it was used to train ChatGPT to understand and generate human language. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it searches through its database and uses its language processing abilities to generate a response based on the information it has learned. ChatGPT functions like a very smart virtual assistant capable of helping you find information and answer questions without needing to search the internet directly. Okay, so I just want to make emphasis in one thing. You guys need to be careful when you use ChatGPT because it might not be as accurate as it should be, especially when we talk about factual things, okay? Just use it as a tool to speed up the process of creating content, but double check the veracity of the information, okay? All right, so let's talk about how can ChatGPT help your small business? Okay, first of all, ChatGPT can help you with content creation. ChatGPT can generate high quality and unique content for small business websites, blogs, and social media channels. ChatGPT can assist a small business in creating content that is engaging, informative, and relevant to their target audience. And it can help you with idea generation. ChatGPT can assist the small business in generating ideas for their content creation efforts. Content creation. Once a topic has been selected, ChatGPT can generate high quality and unique content for small business websites, blogs, and social media channels. Optimization. ChatGPT can also help small businesses optimize their content for search engines and social media platforms. How? By analyzing keywords and trends. ChatGPT can help small businesses save time and resources by automating the content creation process while it is still producing high quality content that resonates with their target audience. Okay, you may be thinking like, okay, so this is too technical maybe, but let's go and show you a demonstration how it works. Let me go back. Okay, this one. Okay, so if you go, can you see my desktop? Yeah, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So if you go to this website, openai.com, and you scroll down a little bit, you will see ChatGPT. So you just have to click on try ChatGPT, click on sign up if you haven't signed up yet. So you can sign up by typing your email address or just click on continue with Google or Microsoft accounts. In my case, I already have an account, so I just have to log in. Okay, with Google. Okay, and this is the screen that you will see. Okay, so in this example, I just want to write some ideas, or I want ChatGPT write some ideas about a Facebook post, for example. So I can type like write a list of 5 ideas for my Facebook post about let's say roofing industry in 2023. Okay, and click enter.
Hey, now it's going much faster. So as Diego was saying, it's actually a really good tool. I've been using it for multiple of topics. Primarily what I use it for is generating my terms and conditions and privacy policies in legalese for my website. But let me know if you guys see that and if that's a good example for you.
Thank you, Daniel. And that is a good case that you can use that tool for. So that's incredible. Okay, so as you can see, you can, in this case, Daniel ask ChatGPT to write 5 ideas for Facebook posts that will generate responses with call to action. And the system just did it. For example, share recent accomplishment of achievement and ask followers to share their own successes in their comments. Call to action, tell us about a recent accomplishment of yours in the comments below. So you can use that on a post as a call to action. Okay. All right, thank you, Daniel. So I might need to use you again for the next point.
No problem. Yeah, just shoot me a chat with what you want me to put in the prompt.
Okay, sure. Okay, so let me just go back and share my screen.
And you might be getting to this, Diego, but there is a question
Sure.
someone had about like the capabilities. Rob mentions that the most beneficial way to use the tool would be to know if there's some sort of list of query operators that they could implement, like a question builder.
Yeah, one of the most important thing or the trick to get the most of this tool is the prompts. What you actually ask the tool to get. Okay, so the more specific you are with the question, the better the results is gonna be.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, the next point is email campaigns. So ChatGPT can assist in the creation of personalized and engaging email campaigns to attract and retain customers. This is how it can help you with engaging email campaigns. Content creation, personalization, optimization on subject line. Okay, email content creation. ChatGPT can generate high quality and personalized content for each audience segment, such as product recommendations, special offers, and informative articles. This can help to keep customers engaged and interested in the business. Personalization. ChatGPT can personalize the email campaigns by including the recipient name and other relevant information, such as their past purchase history and interest. This can make the email feel more personal and relevant, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversation. Optimization. ChatGPT can analyze the performance of the email campaigns and suggest ways to improve open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. This could include changes to subject lines, content structure, or timing of emails. Subject line. Some examples of factors that ChatGPT can consider when generating subject lines include relevance. ChatGPT can ensure that the subject line is relevant to the content of the email and to the interest of the recipient. Urgency. ChatGPT can suggest subject lines that create a sense of urgency or FOMO, fear of missing out, to encourage the recipient to open the email. Personalization. ChatGPT can personalize the subject line by including the recipient's name or other relevant information to make the email feel more personal. Length. ChatGPT can suggest subject lines that are the optimal length for email campaigns, taking into account factors such as email client preview text and mobile optimization. You might wonder how ChatGPT can analyze the performance of your campaigns or the data you have. They simply say that you will need to provide access to your CRM data through an application program interface or API. The specific method of sharing the data would depend on the format of your CRM system and the security protocol in place. Maybe this is a little bit deep for you guys. You might not be using this in the near future, but this is something that you might use in long term, okay? Let me just try before sharing my screen just to see if I can access the tool again. Okay, let me just try this prompt and see if it works. Okay, Daniel, I'm gonna send you the prompt on the chat, and if you can help me, that would be good. Awesome.
Will do.
Okay, so where is it, the chat? Basically, write 3 subject lines for an email that will be used to sell roofing services. The offer is valid for 5 days only. And there you go. Get a free roofing estimate today, limited time offer. Don't wait, save 10% of roofing services. Offer ends soon. Secure your roof before the next storm. Special offer for 5 days only. And also you can expand responses as Daniel is showing you. Well, in this case, because if it's email, so we don't have to care about SEO, but that is something that you can also do. Yeah, as you can see, it gives you a lot of information that you can use. As I told you before, just be careful with the factual things because sometimes it's not as accurate as it should be.
Mhm. You still want to proofread everything ChatGPT produces.
Exactly. All right, thank you, Daniel. So we can keep going to the next point.
There's another quick question. Oh,
Yeah.
that has just been answered, but it's a good question. Can you request character limitations on subject lines?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And you should. If you don't want to very long text, you can just say, so I just, you can put something like write a subject line of 4 words, for example, da, da, da.
Great.
Or if you want to write an email, you can say, okay, so write an email up to 100 words for this and this and this.
Very cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so the next point is product descriptions. ChatGPT can write compelling product descriptions that will help increase sales and improve the overall customer experience. Here are some ways in which ChatGPT can help small businesses create compelling product descriptions. First of all, keywords optimization. ChatGPT can optimize product descriptions for specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to the product and to the target audience. This can help improve the product's visibility in search engine results and increase traffic to the small business website. Persuasive language. ChatGPT can write product descriptions that use persuasive language to highlight the benefits and features of the product, making it more appealing to potential customers. Unique value proposition. ChatGPT can help small businesses identify and communicate their unique value proposition for each product, distinguishing it from competitors and creating a strong brand identity. Lastly, consistency. ChatGPT can ensure that product descriptions are consistent in tone and style across all products, creating a cohesive brand voice and user experience. Okay, so I'm gonna put the prompt that Daniel can put on the chat. Let me just write it, type it. Write a product description of 1 paragraph for, let's say, for let me see, who had the bakery? Annie, right? Okay, let's try with a bakery for a special birthday strawberry cake that I offer and include the keywords best strawberry cake in Colorado. There you go, Daniel. Okay, look, if you can read the paragraph and type in the chat if you feel that is incredible or awesome. What do you think, Annie? Annie says accurate. Okay, awesome. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so as you can see, it's very powerful. So let's keep going and talk about the next point. Thank you, Daniel.
No problem.
Okay, so ChatGPT can also help you with lead generation. ChatGPT can assist with creating the language of lead generation forms and landing pages that will help small businesses acquire new customers. Here are some ways in which ChatGPT can assist with lead generation. First, attention-grabbing language. ChatGPT can suggest language that grabs the attention of potential customers, making them more likely to engage with lead generation forms or landing pages. Clear and concise messaging. ChatGPT can help small businesses communicate the value proposition and benefits of their products or services in a clear and concise manner that resonates with potential customers. A strong call to actions. ChatGPT can assist in creating strong and persuasive call to action that encourage potential customers to take the desired action, such as filling out a lead generation forms or making a purchase. A/B testing. ChatGPT can help a small business test different language and messaging strategies to determine which one are most effective in generating leads and conversions. In this part, I was gonna demonstrate an example about how to generate call to actions, but because Daniel just showed it a couple minutes ago, so we can skip this and go to the next topic. Okay, SEO optimization. ChatGPT can assist with optimizing website content for search engines, helping small businesses to rank higher in search engine results. And here are some ways in which ChatGPT can assist with SEO optimization. Keyword research. ChatGPT can identify the most relevant and effective keywords to target for each page of the website, based on factors such as search volume and competition. On-page optimization. ChatGPT can create website content and suggest changes to website content, such as title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and body copy to include the targeted keywords and improve relevance and readability for both search engines and human visitors. Link building. ChatGPT can help small businesses build high-quality backlinks to their websites from reputable sources, which can improve the website's authority and search engine rankings. How? By suggesting link building strategies, identifying link opportunities, and creating link-worthy content. So you might wonder how ChatGPT can analyze that kind of data. So to analyze the website content for SEO optimization, ChatGPT can use various tools and techniques to assess the website's content performance and identifying areas for improvement. For example, website URL. You can provide the website's URL to ChatGPT so that it can analyze the existing content and identify areas that could benefit from optimization. Keyword research. You can provide a list of keywords that you want to target, or ChatGPT can perform keywords research to identify relevant and effective keywords to target for each page of the website. Competitor analysis. You can provide information on the top competitors, or ChatGPT can perform competitors analysis to identify areas where your website could improve to better compete in search engine rankings. Okay, so for this, I have an example. I will send you the prompt, Daniel. Okay, so it's gonna be write a description. Description up to right now, meta description up to 160 characters in length. For a web page that sells bakery products and use the keywords okay, there you go. Write a meta description up to 160 characters in length for a web page that sells bakery products and use the keywords best bread in Colorado. Okay, finger crossed. For example, I think it already passed the 160 characters. But it's fine. We can summarize it. Yeah. There you go. Maybe too short, but that's fine. What do you think? What do you think, guys? So do you guys have a question? What is your comments?
Yeah, there's a couple questions about SEO, and some of them have been kind of answered in the chat, but I think they're around the idea of like, how would you integrate it if you wanted to have it analyze SEO for a specific part of your website, and how does it integrate with WordPress or other platforms?
Yeah, there is a couple of things that you can use. You can actually just copy and paste the link of the website that you want to analyze, and the other way is to use it with an API. This is more technical, but there are some companies that are using it in this way. So But basically, you can just put the link of the website. I just want to make emphasis since it's not 100% accurate. There are better tools that they can do this kind of things. But if you don't want to pay for those tools, those SEO tools, you might use this one. But just use it carefully.
Great. Yeah. Words of caution, always good. Sounds like it's a great way to help generate content and ideas, but proofreading sounds like it's pretty key. There's also some questions about if the chats are saved, like if you should always just be creating new chats, or if there's a way to save them.
Yeah, actually, you can open a new chat, and that chat that you used before is going to be saved on the left side.
Under normal operation, yeah, your previous chats would go up on the left.
Exactly.
For today, that's not quite working.
Exactly. And normally you will see your chats on the left side of the screen, but today, I don't know, it's a little bit disappointing.
Can you elaborate a little bit, Diego?
Oh, no. Meta is just an SEO part or an SEO configuration that you need to set up on your website. This is just for SEO purposes. So don't worry about that.
Great, thank you.
Okay, so we can keep going. Let me share my screen again. Yes. Okay. Okay, the next point is responding to reviews. ChatGPT can help small businesses respond to reviews in a timely and professional manner, which can help improve their overall rating and increase customer trust. Here's how it works. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can analyze the sentiment of the review, positive, negative, or neutral, to determine the appropriate tone for the response. Review content analysis. ChatGPT can analyze the content of the review to determine the key points and areas of concern and provide suggested responses that address those points. Customization. Business owners can review and edit the suggested responses to ensure they align with their brand voice and values. By providing personalized and timely response to reviews, small businesses can improve their online reputation and build customer trust. Okay, and for this one, I would like to get a business that have a Google business profile, and we can take a look on that and see a negative review and ask ChatGPT how can answer to that negative review. So if there is somebody who can share their business Google business profile, that would be awesome. Okay, Sarah says okay, so the 5280 mermaid. Okay, let me just Google it. Okay, perfect. Oh, but you have a great reviews. Do you have a negative review? Let me see. No, no negative review. I know that maybe you think like, oh, no, I don't want to expose my my negative review with everybody, but okay, let's try with just one positive review. So I'm gonna use this example. For example, okay, so Troy says Simpson Fitness Supply Arvada. Okay, let me try with this one. Okay, great reviews as well. Let me see. Okay, this one is from 5 years ago. I'm gonna copy and paste it. And I'm gonna type the prompt. Okay. Write two possible responses to this review we got for or fitness supply. Okay, there you go, Daniel. So basically, I just ask ChatGPT, write two possible responses for this review we got for our fitness supply business, and I copy and paste the review. Just let us know, Troy, what you think. If it did it better than your response, or what do you think? So you guys can use this whenever you get a review, even if it's positive or negative, and you don't know how to answer it correctly, you can use ChatGPT to help you. Yes, specifically better than I wanted to put. Yeah, good, good. So yeah, just try to use it for these kind of things. And yeah, feel free to use it in your business. Okay, so we can keep going. Thank you, Daniel. Okay, share. Okay, the next point is optimizing Google Business Profile. ChatGPT can help business owners have their Google Business Profile optimized by creating high-quality, keyword-rich descriptions, categories, and a specialty for the profile. Here's how it works. Research. ChatGPT can research the most relevant keywords and categories for the business to ensure their profile is optimized for search engines. Optimization. ChatGPT can help optimize the business profile by providing high-quality descriptions, that accurately reflect the business's offerings, as well as creating posts related to the business offerings. Customizations. Business owners can review and edit the suggested descriptions and categories to ensure they align with the brand and accurately represent their business. Okay, and this example, we can, who told me, I think I read it, somebody created a business profile like yesterday. Who was it? Who was that person?
That was me.
Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, try to actually, let me help you. Write a description. Write a Google business profile description for my business. So
I wish my old chats would be showing up because that's exactly what I did for.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can actually show that or try
Well,
this.
no, the previous chats aren't loading.
Oh,
If they
okay.
did, I would, but that's what I did is here's my business description. Now rewrite it. Now optimize it for 280 characters and then optimize for 80 characters.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, you can do that. So
I mean, I've got the output if you want. Let me see if I still have it.
mhm.
Sorry, I've got like
No problem.
200 tabs open right now. There, yeah, I do have it. Let me share.
Sure.
So this is a cut paste. So what I did is I have a long form optimized for SEO of what the business is about.
Sure.
And this is what, I gave it a little details of what the business is about, being a gaming cafe. And then I said, optimize it for less than 280 characters. And this is what went into the Google business profile. So if we,
Awesome.
and it just showed up yesterday. So if we go look at it, it all just showed up here.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So
Good job.
yeah. So I've been leveraging ChatGPT like crazy.
Yeah, that's awesome because yeah, we have to take advantage of this kind of system tools. So of course, is as I told you guys, it's not 100% accurate, but try to use it to speed up the processes of creating content.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, the next point is generating review requests. ChatGPT can assist in creating personalized review request emails and messages to be sent to customers after they have made a purchase or used the services to encourage them to leave a review. So basically, business owners can provide ChatGPT with information about their businesses, including their brand voice and messaging style, as well as any specific information they want to include in the review request. And then ChatGPT can use this information to create personalized email and messages templates that are tailored to each customer and encourage them to leave a review. Okay, so let me just type the prompt. Write a review Review request. Review request email for a small, for a bakery. Located in Colorado. Make it persuasive to motivate clients to leave a review. Okay, there you go. Boom. So basically, I'm requesting to write a review request email for a bakery located in Colorado. And I said, make it persuasive to motivate clients to leave a review. And this is the answer. Okay, so we hope this email finds you well and that you are enjoying our freshly baked treats from our bakery in Colorado. Add bakery name, you can insert the name there. We are dedicated to providing you with the highest quality products and exceptional customer service. As a value customer, we like, maybe it's too wordy, but we can ask for a short version as well. Okay. Let me see the questions. Can you show? Okay, yeah. The request was write a review request email for a bakery located in Colorado. Make it persuasive to motivate clients to leave a review or motivate customers.
Thanks, Diego. There was also a question a little bit ago about industries that are highly regulated. Would ChatGPT like modify language around those types of industries, or would it still just work the same as industries that are not heavily regulated?
I haven't tried it, but you guys can try it.
Yeah.
And yeah, try it by yourself and see how it works for that kind of industry.
Great, thank you.
Sure. Just to give you an idea of this powerful tool, I just told Hannah before this workshop that ChatGPT passed the bar exam that lawyers have to pass when they want to become a lawyer. So that's incredible. Okay, so let's keep going for the last, I think we got to the last point. Okay, analyzing reviews. ChatGPT can assist in analyzing reviews to understand customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. ChatGPT can assist in analyzing reviews by using natural language processing to understand customer sentiment and identify key themes or issues that arise in customer feedback. Basically, the way it works is that ChatGPT can collect reviews from various online platforms such as Google, Yelp, or social media channels by getting the link or the actual review text provided by the business owner. So using a natural language processing techniques, ChatGPT can analyze the review to understand customer sentiment, including positive, negative, and neutral feedback. So basically, we can actually, we're gonna use the Simpson Fitness supply again, and I'm gonna copy one of the reviews, and we are gonna analyze it. For example, this one. Okay, and the prompt would be analyze the following review. And we copy and paste. Boom. Okay, so the review was, I was in the market for some bumper plates and Simpsons Fitness had new play and Simpsons Fitness had new plates for the same price as used ones. I've worked out with them for about a month now and the quality is fantastic. I now know where I'm going to get all my future workout equipment. And ChatGPT analyzed it. The review is positive and provides some useful information about the reviewer's experience with Simpsons Fitness. The reviewer was looking for bumper plates and found that Simpsons Fitness had new plates and which is good deal. The reviewer has been working out with plates, okay. Finally, the reviewer expresses satisfaction with their purchases and indicate that will continue to buy workout equipment. Okay. Overall, the review could be helpful for someone who is also in the market for bumper plates and is considering Simpsons Fitness as a potential supplier. Okay, so as you can see, maybe when you get this kind of review that is so obvious, that is positive, and you know what you did well, it's easy. But when you get reviews that are a little bit confusing, or maybe they are 3 stars, it's like in the middle, so you can use this to analyze it. Okay, just let me go back to some. Oh, wow, that's a good case. Or a good case that you can use, Daniel. That's great. All right, so do you have any other question, comments? Or maybe you want to try something and we can use Daniel to try something new. I don't know, maybe something related to your industry. Okay, Annie says, I have used it for writing press release, using it with Synthesia.io and so many other things. Oh, nice, Annie. Okay, let's see this one. What media company should I reach out to in Thornton, Colorado for the grand opening of my store? Yeah, they make clear that as an AI language model, I don't have access to current list of media companies on their contact information, but here are some suggestions. Local newspaper, local TV stations.
So one of the caveats with ChatGPT is its data sets only go up to September of 2021. So it doesn't have the most up-to-date information.
Yeah, that's
point one. And point two is when you ask it something it doesn't really know or can do, it'll tell you, as it did here, and then also then generate, well, here's how you can go look for it yourself or reach out, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, the training process of ChatGPT was up to September 2021, sorry. And the tool as itself was launched in November 2022. So it didn't have even 6 months. So it's pretty new. Okay, are we going to have access to this meeting content after the meeting? Yes, Cherry. So this meeting is being recorded. So the video is gonna be on our website. Okay, if anyone here uses Canva, they have added their ChatGPT to their build. Oh, I have to try that. I haven't seen it yet. Wow. All right, guys. So I think, oh, let me, where I am. Okay, right here. So we have finished this meeting, this class. I hope you guys can use this tool for your businesses. As I told you, try to use it carefully. Don't trust it 100%, especially when you talk about factual things. The other thing is you can visit our website, northmetrosbdc.com. Try to see our events, our coming events. Try to keep eye on our newsletter every week. And if you need an assistant or talk to a consultant, we have a lot of consultants in North Metro SBDC who can help you with different topics, marketing, business in general, financing, etc. So try to scan this QR code to schedule an appointment with one of us, okay? So thank you so much and see you next time.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you, Diego. And just one final reminder that all the content, I know there's been several questions about this, all the content will come to you tomorrow. And these links will as well. So if you do want to, if you're scrambling to get these links to the QR code, it'll be in the follow-up. So thank you everyone for joining. Thank you so much, Diego, for preparing and presenting the material. And thank you, Daniel, for helping us out with the screen share. Great collaborative effort today. So thank you guys so much for joining, and we hope you have a great afternoon.